It gets incredibly frustrating when important client details end up buried in random files or lost on pieces of scrap paper around your desk. Trying to stay connected with every potential buyer while keeping your eyes on the big picture of your company is an exhausting process. We wanted to help ease that burden, so we researched the most reliable tracking systems out there to help you find one that brings peace to your workday. Let's start by taking a close look at Zoho CRM, a platform that genuinely redefines what it means to have a flexible, tailored workspace. It is a fantastic match for growing, mid-sized teams that have developed their own distinct rhythm and specific ways of handling daily operations. What makes Zoho so wonderful is its natural ability to adapt to your world, effortlessly fitting into fields as diverse as real estate, retail, or hands-on consulting. Their digital assistant, Zia, brings a lot of peace of mind to the table by looking at patterns to figure out exactly when a client is free to chat or read an email, helping you reach out when they are actually listening. On top of that, the Canvas Studio lets you visually shape your daily dashboard with simple movements, keeping your screen clear and simple. It is a truly solid choice. If your company is moving at a breakneck pace and you are looking to lean heavily into smart tech, Freshsales is a platform that absolutely deserves a spot on your radar. It really shines when it comes to fast-moving sales teams whose main goal is cutting out all that tedious, time-consuming busy work. The real standout feature here is their Freddy AI assistant, which operates in the background to rank your leads based on their actual intent to buy. It takes a ton of guesswork out of the daily grind, showing your reps exactly who they should reach out to first thing every day. Another massive plus is how it handles communication, letting you make phone calls, send out emails, and jump on WhatsApp directly from your active screen. This keeps your entire chat history tied to one single record, so anyone can step in and take over seamlessly. For growing businesses needing scalable tech, the smart insights here offer incredible value. Taking things in a slightly different direction, Pipedrive is a unique platform because it was actually put together by actual sales pros who knew exactly what a team needs, and that really shows in how it functions day to day. It's an amazing fit for crews that want to focus 100% on keeping their daily outreach numbers up and prefer a highly visual dashboard to track their active accounts. The whole experience centers around a visual pipeline layout where you get to see your open deals lined up like cards, letting you slide them into the next category with a quick drag and drop. The main goal here is keeping you locked in on your very next move, meaning you won't lose track of a hot lead just because a follow-up email slipped through the cracks. We've seen firsthand that when a workspace is this easy to navigate, your team will actually want to use it, which is honestly most of the battle when rolling out a CRM. Now let's look at Odoo, which stands out as a unique option because it's built on an open source platform. We usually recommend this to business owners who are looking to set up an entirely connected system of apps rather than just installing a single separate CRM tool. The sales module itself is incredibly straightforward, using a clean Kanban board to track your prospects, but the real value comes from how easily it communicates with the rest of the software suite. You can literally convert a fresh lead into an official quote, flip that into a confirmed sales order, and wrap it up as an invoice without re-entering a single piece of information. Since anyone can access the source code, it's super flexible for developers who need to customize the software to fit unique needs. Plus, their free option for a single app is a great way for small teams to use professional software without spending a dime. If you eventually want to run inventory, accounting, and payroll under one roof, Odoo sets up that perfect foundation. To finish things up, Capsule CRM is really the absolute best bet if you're looking for a tool that's totally straightforward and takes minutes to learn. We highly recommend this one for smaller teams or freelancers who just want to keep their business organized without dealing with the massive headache of a bulky platform. The software basically acts as a central hub for your business, keeping your client contacts, sales pipelines, and even little personal notes in one super neat layout. One of the coolest things here is the way it handles basic project tracking right alongside the sales side of things. This means once you actually close a deal, you never have to hop over to another application to keep tabs on the actual job. Lately, they've rolled out some really smart AI features that can read through massive email chains or write up quick replies for you, which cuts down on daily busy work. If you want to get your business sorted out fast without hiring an IT guy, Capsule is a great place to start. When you're all done looking, the tracking tool you choose needs to match how your workers do things and what matters most. If you want a basic plan that stays quiet and lets you work, Capsule is a fine choice. For people who want smart computer help to do some of their daily office tasks, Freshsales is great. If you have a special way of working and need a tool you can change around, Zoho is perfect. For owners who like to see their sales deals on a clear color map, Pipedrive is the best fix. And for a big tool that runs your whole store, Odoo is the answer. If this helped you pick, tell us which tool you'll use down in the boxes below. Thanks for watching.